Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to effectively keyword research for Googlers for real life client. So if you want more leads with less budget waste, this video is for you. Most people lost money in Googlers because they chose the wrong process, wrong keywords. Okay. So what's the meaning of keyword research? Keyword research meaning what? So keyword research means finding the exact words people type on Google when they need a service. Okay. In Google Ads, the right keyword can make a break your campaign. It's not about more keywords, it's about the right keywords. Okay. So in Google Ads, I think Google Ads research is most important. Why? Google Ads keyword research helps you reach high intent customers. It reduce waste spend and improve quality score. So in your better keywords mean lower CPC and more conversion. Okay. So, which type of tools I use for keyword research? I use normally keyword planner and also Ahrefs and also search term Google search bar and also competitor ad copy for keyword research. So today I will focus on complete keyword research process, which I did follow. So in keyword research, you have to maintain some rules as like always focus on buyer intent keywords. For example, Google Ads expert near me is better than what is Google Ads. Okay. So always high intent keywords bring faster and better leads. So real life tip for keyword research. I always think like a customer before choosing keywords. Just I think I'm a customer and what I search. If I would not search this keyword to buy, I do not use it. This strategy works very well for local sales, service business. Okay, so now I'm showing everything. So firstly, in here I will focus car rental service. So firstly, I study full website. Okay, as like car rental discounts with Europe. So firstly, I selected some keywords from website. This type of keyword, so many high intent, so much high intent, but this type of keywords give you not so much impression, not this, but just I think less click or more clicks. And this type of keywords don't waste your money. Okay, don't waste your budget. So it's like it's a keyword, car rental discounts with Euro per car. Then okay. Also, you can base car rental service in USA. In here, you see the car rental in USA for foreigners. So suppose I will visit another country, suppose Canada or USA. Then I will search from Bangladesh car rental in USA from foreigners. So for visitors, for tourists, I will select this type of keyword. Okay. So so car rental in USA for foreigners is also a keyword. Okay. Then I also suggest from here. In here you see different type of keyword. So I also select a sub keyword from this type of from this sector. Best car under service in USA, heads car under customer service number in USA, budget car under customer service number in USA, heads car under service car under in USA for foreigners, car under in Seattle, best car under service in Orlando. So we also select some type of keyword from this, and also I will use Ahrefs. So in here I select my topic car rental and keywords. In here you see I got some keyword car rental companies. Okay, but I focus high intent keywords, so I call this car rental service. Now I search. Right now in here everyone is highly developed as like Lazai car rental service, car rental service near me, best car rental service for airport pickup. Suppose I visit a country, I will visit a country. That's why the car rental service is from airport, right? So that's why in car rental service you have to select must be some keyword as like pick up you from airport. So best current service from airport pickup, best current Turu current service explained, current service Singapore, best current service near Orlando Airport. So in current in here, most of the high intent keyword in here, and we also we can select this type of all keyword, all keyword from here. In here show high all high intent keyword. So it's very useful. It's great. You also use this for keyword research. Then I selected this type of keyword. CPS Karnataka service with driver more. If your client provide driver, so you can select this Karnataka service with driver, putting Karnataka service. Your client Karnataka service which type of subject. So within suppose anniversary, suppose traveling, etc. etc. Okay. Then I will go to keyword planner. So in here, firstly your link and discover new word, car rental service, then location USA. Good. Remove. And here that's the link. That's result. So in here you see many type of keyword, but for local service I always select high intent type keyword. Um, high intent, if you choose high intent keyword, you don't get more click, more impression, just a focus lead, just a lead focus. Okay. So suppose best car rental company, best car rental company have car rental places near me, cheapest rental car company for under 25 rent a car for a month for issue. If you require service for issue, so you can select this cheapest way to rent a car rental without credit card, cargo van and unlimited mileage. So from here I selected some handle keyword. So that's the way I selected keyword, and also I study website in here. Great car rental deals for your travels. Okay. Get rental deals for travels in Ireland. Then in Spain, in Germany. So we also selected some location type of keyword from here, from website. Then also you also reading the whole website, and from website you will getting different type of many keywords. That's not always does not waste your budget. They give you click, they give you real lead. Okay, so next class will be discussion. I will discuss about ad group. First the way you select different type of ad group, and with intention you divided the keyword as like for character service. So we divided it in many type of keyword as like location type of keyword, nearby type keyword, from airport type keyword, and emergency type keyword, and then uh, if your brand is so popular, and then some brand type of keyword. So as like this, I selected all many keyword. Okay, I think you can understand. If this video is very is helpful for you, please subscribe, and also please in comment section give me your opinion, please.